Miss Nita and my dear classmates. My name is Yelena, and today I will be presenting on talent management practices in the organization with IR 4.0. This is the table of content of my speech for today, which includes introduction, talent management practices, challenges, as well as conclusion. Here you can see the information about me. As I said, my name is Yelena Gagohi, and I'm doing dual award degree in Segi University. So let's start. First, I want to introduce the definition of talent management practices. The concept of talent management was first used by McKinsey and Company, and it is defined as a deliberate approach taken to recruit, develop and retain people with the necessary capabilities or skills to meet the present and future goals and needs of the company. Among the companies actively using talent management practices are Oracle, SAP SuccessFactors, Beltec, as well as Siemens. Moving next is Industrial Revolution. It assumes a new approach to manufacturing based on the massive introduction of information technology in industry. The benefits of the fourth industrial revolution include increased productivity, improved worker safety by reducing jobs in difficult working conditions, groundbreaking new products, and many more. BMW, Apple, Bosch are examples of companies that are part of IR 4.0. Now let's talk about talent management practices, and the first one is training and development. According to research conducted by Bower in 2010, 69% of employees are more likely to remain loyal to the company for 3 years or more if they have been well adapted. Many companies point to the positive impact of personalization on recruiting and onboarding. One organization found that after 6 months, newcomers who had a personalized onboarding process were 32% less likely to leave than those who used traditional onboarding. Second one is performance management. 360-degree feedback is an example of performance management tools that can provide an assessment of colleagues to predict the degree of intention to quit, satisfaction with the position from a material and psychological point of view. A regular assessment allows one to timely identify employees whose rating is too high for their position and offer them an increase. According to Zenger, over 85 of Fortune top 500 companies use a 360-degree feedback to ensure talent efficiency and retention. These companies include Amazon and IBM. Last one is innovation management. Knowledge management is an organized system of processes for collecting, organizing, and storing knowledge and skills and transferring them within a company. Infosys, an Indian company, invests, develops, and delivers IT technology and business solutions, was the first to create the knowledge management platform, which is called KShop, with a local currency KCU, as a reward for every contribution made by employees. Now let's talk about challenges. The first difficulty is the abrupt transition to the practice of effective talent management. If the organization has not previously implemented this methodology, a sudden transition and application of several practices at once is very difficult, as it requires a change in the thinking of the leaders of the company. The most important thing about talent management is that it's not a short-term program, but a cyclical, fundamentally new way of managing the company. Therefore, it should be noted that effective talent management of a company requires a long journey which will include a change of the company emotional climate and work with the leaders' awareness. Second one is internal incoherence. It's not enough just to find talent and hire one for the job, because without application, talent can die out and bring nothing to the company. Thus, if an organization makes significant investment in the development and training of high potential employees, it should also pay attention to employee retention, competitive compensation package, and career management. Siemens recruit from 10 to 12 university graduates every year, and selected employees then go through leadership analysis and appraisal process, which includes performance and feedback, and become part of the mentoring program led by senior executive. Lastly, reward system. The difficulty lies in the fact that the introduction of the remuneration system should be done with a well throughout mechanism for informing employees about a new remuneration rules and constant monitoring of the effectiveness of the system itself. It should be noted that the reward doesn't have to be material. The example is President and CEO of Campbell Soup, Doug Content, who wrote over 30,000 letters of gratitude to 20,000 employees by hand. And these thoughtful ways of rewarding and recognizing employees can be deeply meaningful and motivating. Now I would like to give some recommendations. The work of talent in an organization needs to be varied, challenging and engaging. And to do this, business leaders must assign challenging tasks to high potential workers. To overcome the resistance of department heads, it is necessary to motivate them to participate in the development of talent and not hide capable employees. That's all for today. It was Elena. Thank you for your attention. Here you can see my contact number and as well as email, so you can contact me by asking any question. I would be glad to answer them. Thank you so much. Bye.